Hi everyone, and welcome again to another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness with our team from Elixir Wellness, www.elixirwellnesskenya.com. Don't forget to interact with us on the social, Lolwe TV Fitness and Elixir Wellness Kenya, hashtag, don't forget. You can catch us here on Monday, Wednesdays and Fridays. And if you missed it, YouTube, Lolwe TV Kenya. Don't forget, yes, come and join us. And if you miss any of our shows, again, all the videos are on YouTube, yes, and interact with us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Yes, that's the one. Aya, karibuni sana. We're just going to start to walk it out here, sindio? Eh? Don't forget to grab some water before we start. We'll give you like 30 seconds to go grab some water. Now, our rests are all here. Kutembea, sindio? Active rest. That's what we call it, sindio? Yeah? Today, we're going to start with, this week we're just doing jumping jacks. We're in love with jumping jacks this week. It's good for your cardio, yeah? Fitness, fat burning. Hey, try it. And step. I step here. We're still warming up. Jumping jacks again. And step. Today we're doing full sit-ups. For those who can, Afrofab, I know you can. I don't want to see you cheating with crunches here. All right, let's go. This time with the jumping jacks, we're warmer, so take it a bit faster. Remember, stay on the balls of your feet. Don't be landing like that, yeah? Keep it light. Hey, good morning, my people. Twende hapa hivi kwenye crunches sit-ups, yes? We are feeling okay. Let's go. Twende. Good stuff. Keep going. Just another 30 seconds. Let's go. There we go. There we go. Just 20 more seconds. For those at home, if you're just starting, crunches. Just shoulders off the ground. Right, let's go. 5 more. And up. Step it here. Let's rest. That's it. Have some water if you need. It's a good idea to keep hydrated during and after exercise, yeah? Hiya. We're going to do 20 jumping jacks here, and then we're going to go down for 20 crunches, yes? Or sit-ups, whichever you choose. You can even mix and match. I don't mind, just get your shoulders off the ground. Let's go. Haya, twende. Leo nina psych. Let's go. Keep walking at home. If you're getting tired, it's getting harder, do those crunches. Yes? Just make sure your chin is off your chest. Your eyes are up here. I am. Ngapi. Afafab, I'm watching you. Let's go. And walk it out. Yeah. One more time. We're going to do 20 jumping jacks, 10 crunches or sit-ups, yes? But rest it here. Rest it here. This week is all about the cardio. Yeah? Yeah. It's all about the high intensity. Nani nasikia baridi. Mera sijui baridi ni nini. Yeah? If you can, hey, twende say. Let's go. Crunches and then jumping jacks, yes? Because we're already down here. We're supposed to do jumping jacks. Let's go for 10. Hey, let's go, man. Let's do this, people. DJ Roy, let's go. Yeah. Let's rest it here. Just 10 seconds, and then we go for those jumping jacks here. 20 jumping jacks. Yeah. Let's go. I know. Especially when you're having so much fun with such amazing music. Yes. So early in the morning. Right. Guys, watch. I shall demonstrate this. We're going to do a downward dog. Come back into plank. Bring that leg towards your elbow. It doesn't have to get to your elbow, but if you can, just do it, yes? Let's go. Downward dog. That's it. That's it. Good stuff, DJ Roy. Very good. Nice one, Afrofab. Let's go. We're doing this for 30 seconds. Yes, let's go. And up. And come back towards the elbow. Just 15 more seconds, guys. We're halfway. I know those abs are starting to feel like they're burning. Let's go. 2 more, guys. Just 2 more. Let's go. And rest. Let's go. Walk it out. Higher.
Hello, Africa. How you doing?
Rest. Rest, guys. Okay. 20 jumping jacks. And then back to what we were doing, yes? For 30 seconds. Only 30 seconds. Yeah? Walk it out. Okay, now. Let's go. Downward dog. Down. Elbow in. Knee in. There I am. Talking about my elbow. My elbow is already where it is. It's not going anywhere. Keep walking, guys. Just 10 more seconds. One last one. And rest. Rest means walk it out, dance it out. Whatever it is you do, just keep moving. Higher. I would suggest you rest it here because it's just about to get real. Yeah, it's just about to get real. Higher. Let's go. Higher, let's go. We're doing scissors now. Yeah? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay guys, remember with the scissors, you need to support your back if you've got lower back issues, either with your hands or with a small towel here. Yeah? We're bringing your legs up. Suspend and go. Yes? Okay, are you ready? Let's go. Slow it, reel down, all the way. Cross, cross, cross. That's it. Keep walking. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and up we get. And walk it out. That's it. Walk it out. Twende. Tutembe, tutembe, tutembe. Tutembe. Yeah. Haya. Let's go here. Active rest manenos. Let's walk. Yeah. Guys, don't forget to drink enough water during and after exercise. It's extremely important to keep hydrated for your recovery as well. Yeah? So 20 jumping jacks and 20 scissors, yes? Let's go. Afro Fabio, confusing me. Mimi nilishafika 20, yeye bado iko 8. Ananirudisha nyuma. She is returning me behind. Duakachien bwana. Duakachien. Remember, if you've got lower back issues, support your back either with your hands or with a small towel, yes? Or a small cushion. Let's go. We're going for 20. The lower this is, the harder it is. Who's counting? Let's go. We've got like 6 more. And rest. I was just checking. Just checking. Hiya. Walk it out. Upper. Hey. Afrofab. Linda. Eh? Hiya. We're going jumping jacks. Scissors again. Yes? One more time. Yes? Hold it there. Rest. 20 seconds more. Yeah. Walk. 10 seconds. You're here. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Aya, hapo kwenye scissors, please. Let's go. Hey, are we ready? 20. Keep going, people. If you're at home and this starts to burn, stay with it as long as you can. Yeah? Hatujafika? Right, guys, we're nearly there. Stick with it. I know it's starting to get hard now. Tumeenda tukafika mpaka hatujafika Kisumu. Tumefika Nakuru. Ama Kericho. Haya. Hey. We're going to rest here for another 30 seconds. Remember, you can either walk it out, just keep moving. Don't sit. Whatever you do, whether you're just going with the music, which is quite slow right now, and nice. Yeah? Inafika karibu na mwisho. We're going to do 20 jumping jacks, and then we're going to do push-ups, yes? 10 push-ups. Then we come up again. Same again. 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Oh, jumping jacks. Sorry. I just want to go on the floor. I like the floor, me. Let's go. Let's go. 10 push-ups. You can do box push-ups like me or full push-ups like DJ Roy. Just lift your bottom, please, DJ Roy. Thank you. Let's go. Please miss my rest. Aya. Walk it out. 20 seconds here. Ako kamaji kameninyonga. It is not the roller. Aya, 5 seconds. All right, let's go. Good. We're nearly there, guys. I know you're all getting really tired now. My triceps are on fire. For those of you who want nice arms, kwanza huku kwa mabingos, keep it tight when you're doing your push-ups. Yeah? It's gonna keep those arms tight. Aya, let's step. Yeah. 10 more seconds. Yeah? Are we ready, DJ Roy? Usijali, uko na sub. Aya, let's go, 20. Right, let's go. Push-ups. Last time. Let's go, guys. Nearly the last exercise of the day. Nearly. I promise. And up. Let's go, guys. Come up. Vumilia, vumilia. Vumilia. Let's walk it out. Mdogo mdogo tu. Are you all right? All right, guys, let's have a quick stretch, yes? Especially for those triceps that we just tested. Let's go. Remember, hand between the shoulder blades. Same hand. Same hand. Bring it out. Same hand. Every time you come out and go back in, try and push it a bit further out. Other hand. Same hand. Push it a bit further back. And one more time. Let's go. Hands. Small of your back. Bend your knees slightly. Push your chest out. Not your belly, just the chest. So you feel that stretch along there. And now, hand here, and just slightly pull. Other side. And push out. Feel this along here. Back of your shoulders. And down. Hey. And back up. On one foot. Hold the knee. Bring it up. If you can't do this without holding on to something, hold on to the wall, hold on to a chair. Stop, check, I want to confused. And the other leg, bring it up. And back out. And wider here. And push down. And take a deep breath in. And out. And down again. Bringing your hands forward here. And take a deep breath in. And out as you stand. One more time. Go even farther out. And take a deep breath in as you come up. And out. Namaste, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us for another edition of Lolwe TV Fitness. And don't forget to interact with us on the socials, Lolwe TV Fitness, hashtag Elixir Wellness Kenya, and catch us on YouTube, Lolwe TV Kenya, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, hashtag Lolwe TV Fitness. Asanteni sana, and our team from Elixir, thanks you for joining us again, and thank you.
Okay.